Yeah. Are you in a truck?
Puppy truck.
Yeah, you're in Poppy's truck.
I would rather go up around this big honking A-frame, but not much done to. Can't get a strap through there. And I don't want to cut it with that one. So, I'm gonna go here. Pull it out of there. Heavier than I was expecting. Here, get a little air in the tires. Running a little nervous because there's about 6 feet hanging behind the axle of that truck. That camper is way bigger than I thought it was. A garbage compressor, I guess, is better than nothing. We didn't check the air pressure before we left. And we didn't realize we were picking up this big old honking beast that was this heavy. Rookie mistakes, I guess.